person says, I have many employees who have signed a non-compete years ago. Do I have to redraft the agreements? Would like to start with that.
This is Avi Scoff. You know, if you want to redo your agreements, you're going to have to, you may have to give new consideration. I suppose consideration could be letting them out of the old agreements. But if you have agreements which under the law that's applicable to those agreements, if those agreements are no longer enforceable, then you don't really have agreements. So you may need to redraft them, but you need to be concerned about making sure you give consideration, because if you don't have valid and enforceable agreements, then letting somebody out of an unenforceable agreement probably would not constitute consideration.
And I want to add, and I agree with that, and you may want to consider, many times companies have boilerplate non-competes, and as the years go on, an employee's position has changed, and they may be much more senior now. But I always would consider updating an agreement when that position is changed, to Avi's point, because then you have a situation where you might have consideration, a change in salary, a change in position.